living underwater. Like birds, fish are designed and equipped for their habitat. They have to be able to move to the surface of the water to dive after food and to avoid becoming food. How? They have swim bladders, which help them adjust their buoyancy in the depth of the water. Oxygen and nitrogen are passed from the bloodstream into the swim bladder. If the fish needs to swim deeper, gas is reabsorbed from the bladder, deflating it. If the fish needs to rise to a higher level in the water, the bladder is inflated with gas. What you need to do is you need an eyedropper, and this will be your fish, 1 2-liter plastic soft drink bottle, and a cup with water in it. What you need to do is fill the bottle with water, leaving about 4 inches empty. Next, fill the eyedropper with 2/3 full with water by pressing on the bulb tip, putting the tip of the eyedropper in the cup of water and releasing the bulb. The air in the dropper is your fish's swim bladder. Drop the eyedropper into the bottle and put the lid on tightly. Squeeze the bottle. Don't be shy. Grip the bottle with both hands and squeeze. Now release your grip. Watch what happens. Do it again. Squeeze and release. Charlotte, can you get me that 2-liter bottle that's sitting there?
What's a...
I already set it up because the droppers that we have are plastic and it didn't act like a fish very well. So Mama came up with the idea of putting 2 paper clips on it so it'll be heavy.
Oh.
So
what's the eyedropper supposed to be made of?
So there's your fish and they're in the water and they want to dive. Now go ahead and squeeze the bottle with your hands, Charlotte, as tight as you can. What's it doing?
Oh!
And then let go. Now, can you see the water level inside the bulb syringe? Okay, squeeze it and watch the water level inside the bulb. What's happening to the bulb?
It's
Water
rising.
level in the bulb.
It's rising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Nice.
You see that?
Can I try?
That's how the fish does it. Go ahead, Elijah.
Wait, so what's the fish? The bottle or the squeezy?
The eyedropper.
Syringe, eyedropper.
Sorry.
So squeeze as tight as you can.
Can I?
Yeah,
can I
yeah.
just make-
You dropped to the bottom, now let go. Comes back to the top again. Cool. Now, can you see the water level inside the bulb when you do that? See how it's at the 0.5? It's at the 0.5, just above it.
Yeah.
And then watch. Here, I was going to squeeze it. I'm going to squeeze it and watch the water level
I
inside the
can't
bulb.
see it.
Okay. Tell me when you can see the water level inside the syringe. In the bulb.
Yeah, I
Do you
can
see it? You see it?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to start squeezing, and look. Do you see it rising?
Yeah.
And then what happened is all the gas is out, so now it sinks. And then the fish wants to swim up, so he's going to put more gas in. So as I release, the gas comes into the swim bladder, and now you can float up.
So you can make it like go up and down without...
Yeah. Here.
Go for it, Abby.
You can also use a string, like you have this weight at the bottom of it, then you use a string. You use a string to pull it up from it.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze it real tight. Now, do you see the level of water inside the bulb syringe? Yeah. So if you want it to be like at a certain level, that's what he does. He lowers.
What if he wants to